After enough bug, after enough crayfish, after enough ogbolo, they come for Monica. Today, I say Monica not do anything. Today, now for them, Monica never do anything to them. Even with the self of our own eye. With the 3 million when Monica donate, with the 3 million when Monica raise, they still call for Monica. They still call for her. So, who be Mommy 3D when they don't call for? The only way when Mommy 3D will take escape here, Mommy 3D, go and give that boy rice. If you never come up for Germany now, tell Proch, make Proch carry cooler of rice, can give you. If you do not the rice when people eat, remember when they throw away for cellophane, make they gather all of them, go give them. Say, Enogie. Now the rice one carry come be this one. Now leave here, you this is free. You hear me? So all those chicken wings, and Mommy best purity, gather all of them, put for cooler. Just drive, go meet her, just carry the rice, give her. Say, Epa, because of you, don't let me eat rice, so all the rice they give me, I got to call. Take the rice. You go be the best friend. You go wear buluku. You go wear buluku, take task for you. So, when they say, na so, Proch just carry see that's down. Just cancel this foolish man. Me na the thick way. Proch fight for that woman, and that woman make Proch birthday be a successful birthday. You hear me? So when they talk say whether me know they post people mama, and that post person will not post my mama picture before. Why you post my mama, not post your mama? Like say Zaddy post your mama now. Like say we get any evidence when Zaddy say post your mama, nobody go talk. Nobody will spoke sis. But Zaddy know you saw your mama one day. Zaddy no talk say your mother fuck your mama for grand. Zaddy no talk anything about your mother. Why you go to post mama? This message go to Black Agent and Osa Diploma too. Me na ask this guy say, what was your motive? What be your reason? When you go post old woman without the pikin no come for you? Show us any video now. When that say curse your mama? Show us any video. Show us video say Zaddy curse your mama. It's nowhere to find. But you carry mama, you go post part 1, part 2, part 3. When you say your man over gas when they stay. Zaddy papa don't die. Zaddy mama don't Zaddy papa's. Why your mama no stay your papa's? Enogie, why your mama no stay your papa's if your papa gas? Cause the video come by, you want to show us come back. Ask where they village. Ask where they village. You want to show us where your papa compound. Why your mama no do your papa ass if your papa get ass? That's where Zaddy papa get. Why your papa no get in your own too? May your mother there. Then we take action now. As a TikTok federal will be. As now we they control this TikTok. Now we they coordinate this TikTok. Anybody when they misbehave, now we they call it to order. That's why you see say we can fight for anybody, we can call out anybody. We have the matter of the leadership. We have is so knife for the rip. We have is so knife for the rip. If I fight for you, I can still correct you. I will not be so. If I fight for you, I can still rescue you. If I praise you, I can't say what you do no good. Because we need to test nobody calls to us as a federal. As a federal, everybody is our own. If you get sister when they do what you no good, you don't feel correct, huh? So nobody just say, waiting I will do you. Waiting I will do with Sagana. He can't beg you. If I was nothing about it now do. If I like for you, head. If I cost you your own mama, you will not come. Why you the sacrifice? Why don't they come back to you? Because you left for the head. You tell them what you know to the body. You they put what you know to the body for the body. Now make them know they come back to you again. With me, I don't fight for my best purity. When mommy titi come out, I say all the women they want to pull him on the best spirit because of say if they call a single mother. I come to a rescue. Mommy Titi did not give me anything. Mommy Titi did not come in for WhatsApp say Topolo thank you. So if Mommy Titi see they do bad tomorrow, I still tell her say what you do na bad thing. Because I defend her genuinely without no benefit. That's a fair they collect money for anybody and I be for when Mommy best spirit and Mommy Titi they come. No Mommy best spirit I join. Fellow Nigeria. That time I know what I say I difference. When Mommy best spirit matter up that time. No be Mommy best spirit I join. No be Mommy best spirit husband I join. So tomorrow now, if Mommy best spirit they do what no good, I have the right to see talk am. That's why you see say we can come for anybody and we can still rescue anybody. Because we need to take side. I question Mommy Titi. I question Mommy Titi. When they talk say Mommy Titi the go thief husband, I say no be so. Who am the thief man? If I can fight for you, when they are oppressing you, if you want to oppress people, I can still fight you. Tomorrow, if Casper say do what no good, I still talk and say what Casper they do so no good. We need to side. Ewe is a demonic human being. Now a person they swear for. See, he take my time to study this bastard. And I put upon myself, even when it talk over command, I put and say one day I must come for you. Because you oppress a lot of people from my eye. I want to see. We are watching you that time. We were watching you that time. We were watching you. All the evil when you do for Facebook, we they watch you that time. They will give you chance now. The news that we don't do for Facebook. We make today you know better for life. Mostly give you chance now. Maybe you continue the news dance. Maybe they collect money for people hand. Maybe they pay you not to saga people. Not be so. That evil when I do for Facebook, when I call it oppress people, they collect money for their hand. Then you want to call the door for Facebook, for TikTok now. Maybe we not talk. You are a bastard. Yeah, you will keep to the fake, the way it is face so. Except you stand for the truth. Except you stand for the truth. Today now because me say no Sammy. Sammy now my friend. Sammy now my friend. Now because you me say no Sammy. Because I can't defend that from your hand. I have defended a lot of people from your evil hand. Because you want to be corrected every time. You want me to tell you, you want to be a Mr. Perfect man. Idiot man when they admit for a wrongdoing. You have never one day accept say you did wrong. Everything you must be right. Just the way you are doing it now. You not do video why they make you stop. You make people, you invite people to Proch party. Now you make Proch party, it could be #1 best party now. Proch party be like carnival. It be like, you know be like birthday. You make it. You provoke all these women. How you gonna dare one person? You will not get front and back for Germany. You will not get back and front. People will not get interest to go to that place. They go because of your foolishness. See, idiot when they don't know. You dey threaten people when they okay. You make a lot of people go that place. They want see your ability. They want to see what you fit do. A lot of people go there because of you. Just the way they go give love because of you. You don't dare a big man. You don't dare a big woman. You don't point me a dear independent person. Person when they independent. Person will not depend on government. You know, they're not born when me dear. Person will not depend on you. See anybody cause is ashago, adulterous. You ain't know you're supposed to key. You ain't woman knock egg for your head. You still stay with the woman. Who you walk come adulterous when you want to fear you? you don't get me wanted this man with the fear. Because your wife is number one. If you can still stay with Osama and say, no woman is an abomination woman. If you feel stay with Osama and say, with all the evil, all the swear, Osama say they swear for you. Everything Osama say they tell you. If you can still stay with that in best side, adult in best side, if you can still stay with her, all women are perfect and all women are clean when it comes to you. In this Europe, that woman don't do worst. You don't do worst. You don't do barbaric things. Even inside that marriage, we don't say you go fuck on top of your head, you go fuck your friend. Hey, we did this TikTok. No, Simon say they tell you say you go sleep with your friends. Now lie. The records are there. The records are there. He say you go sleep with your friends. He did when he talk. We all for the wash her. So which woman come back past Osama say now? We don't really fall in hard. Ewu is gone. Ewu is gone and buried. We don't bring the NGO down. We don't bring foundation down. We don't bring that barbaric support. We don't bring her down. Because now evil human being. Now evil human being. If I want to open all this woman, now I don't say this guy be like devil. Or I will say lion. You know, go to eat with lion. I may eat you now. Go to feed lion. I may lion come eat you. You can feed lion for 100 years. You hear me so? Lion. If you feed lion for 100 years, the day when you go to shop, you go eat you. Your life is gone. Just go to feed lion. Just go to give lion food every day. The day we have the opportunity, the day we have the chance to eat you, he go eat you. You will become the next me. If you like go to give away for 100 years. You hear me so? May if that diamond now, if they bought diamond where? If they bought diamond where? Make her give lucky nice now. Diamond if they born you where say you want to be independent woman. The day when lucky nice go do live video, go give her gift. Everything we don't give away for 100 years, you go forget her. And I tell Asha husband. I tell Asha husband say, Topono can never support you. Because if I support your wife and your wife come my platform, this guy will come after her. You don't know. Me Asha cause us not lie. Now what I tell Asha husband, it's Topono I beg. Now your brother and wife now. Me not they support her. Me not support my wife. My wife no. You know they support any saga. Now business woman. Not last say bros. If I support this woman, this woman will be victim of this guy. Now what I tell her, cause I understand that way. I understand that way. Except now only one will do adverse. Or now only one that woman will support. That woman cannot go to my platform, go support her. Because this is a mess itself. As Asha be now, when Asha just said it could go my platform reach. Asha knows Sadiq before I know a we. Now Sadiq now introduce Asha give a we. Now Asha cannot go to my platform. Asha cannot go to my platform. I may try and I may go to give them for that side now. This greedy best side.
Fedra, any fucking stupid body of Fedra in this TikTok. Fedra is under my feet. As found.
We deal with our feet now. We say maybe you don't go party now, you don't go. Who they lead who? Team Fedra and Team Ewi, who they win each other. We make you no go. We make you no go dance spirit dance yesterday. I will take your feet. If you can put pain, for your body yesterday, you not sleep yesterday, you have a sleepless night. Yesterday, you could not sleep yesterday. We do the most painful thing for your life. The most embarrassment when you get, now we give you. You hear me so? All these guys, they do it like this, yesterday. You know what they do you? Will they make people they disrespect you? Will they make people they not say you are useless human being? Vote when they fear you now. Vote they dare you. Voltage they tell you say do your worst. Voltage they tell you say do your worst yesterday. But voltage they tell you before. Voltage they call you a pal before. Even though voltage they curse you for your back, voltage they curse you for your front now. Abi, those money when they spray, they won't prepare you yesterday. They won't prepare you. You they see money. You this guy they cut his share. This guy will get PPO. Me see money, me bagger.
Fedra is under my feet. No Sagara. So why now? Because not believe say I will do this saga this extent.
You explain give us who. Yeah, talk to me, I hear you.
Not people say I don't go the party be the issue.
Yeah, what you be the issue?
Respect is reciprocal.
Who won't respect you? And respect our bijou. Or where respect is the reciprocal. Respect is the reciprocal. Respect is the respect of rice. Go and shop rice now. Go and shop rice. Respect your boy. Eat so much feel respect yourself. Respect is the reciprocal. Wow, fiangu. Come talk to me. Who won't respect you? Wait till be respect is the reciprocal. Respect is the reciprocal. Wow, cuckoo. Just like say me go give pot of rice. Go and call your scalicious. This guy say you go feel the command. Me go respect one poor panima being. I want respect. Yeah, cut out to us.
Call me. You want to do me for sure.
You want to explain, no? You want to explain. If they explain, give federal. Federal will say there be nobody. Now you they explain. Oh, yeah, come and explain to me, crack boy. Crack boy, come and explain to me. Black siglet man.
You don't want me again. You will call me for phone. Baba, I don't need you again. No. Only federal that I know. Don't know anybody. Any stupid users.
Boy, now let federal you know. But you know federal when they go when Proch come to TikTok now. Since now let federal road you know. Eh? Now let federal road you know. We don't know any we don't know any we. We don't know any Enogie. The only Enogie we know that they Benin. I got Benin. I may go from Enogie. No soon. Enogie say. Come and explain. Only federal road. You know say federal road better pass a local government road. You know say federal road better pass a state road. You know. See what the federal road don't do you now. See what the federal road don't do you. Come swear, people say that party no pay you yesterday. Come and swear. Come swear with your children. Say that party no pay you. Say this birthday so. Say what my president do you. Come swear, people say no pay you. And you said it by yourself. Say pay you. You talk about yourself. Why you can't talk nationally federal? You know. We remain in this TikTok. The fear of federal is the beginning of wisdom. Don't let any jockey deceive you. Don't let any jockey deceive you. You hear me so? Now we the control. We are the police of this media. Don't let anybody deceive you. Everybody know to be federal. Everybody know what is federal in this TikTok. Everybody know. Say federal number one.
That illiterate called federal. Baba, I beg.
If there's no give Proch, in the person see the way Proch do one, he's been a foolish human being. In the person, Proch see the way for do one, you for call me, for tell me say Baba, you know this me again, no. You don't work like that. You know if you control person emotion, you know if you control person what the heart for your foolishness. Why you don't call and say, okay, Proch, I'll go delete the woman called Proch is your boss. Proch, Proch have the automatistic to fire and to refire. You don't feel fire your employee. You cannot saga, you cannot fire. Eh? You cannot fire your employer. Who employ you cannot fire him or her. Now this is idiot, no. Who give you work? You know if you sack, who give you work? You hear me so? You know if you sack, who give you work? You know if you sack, who they work for? In these cases, Proch was your madam. Likewise, that useless Jerry Toto Yvette. You can only withdraw. You can only withdraw your this thing. You can only withdraw yourself, or you can only fire yourself. Just the one that one fire, that one no fire Proch. You only fire himself and Proch employ another person. Cause Proch was the employee. Proch was the employee. Now Proch now employ you. Now employ Jerry Toto decoration. Now Proch now employ now. So what make you feel say you get out of that person who employ you, won't pay you? What make you they say now you the porter person? Now you supposed to lawyer. Not be possible to call lawyer to you. A mugun. Educated fool. Educated ignorant human being. Uncivilized goats. Not be possible to call lawyer to you. Now you supposed to go lawyer to Proch. Because Proch won't pay you. You want to work for him. You won't work for her. Is your mother, in that case, is your mother, is your boss. You must learn how to lawyer to your boss. Hear me say we. You must learn how to lawyer to your boss. And if you to make matter, if you to make matter for this talk, that what they call him? What they call that guy now? You don't go that party. If you to make matter, try and job by trying that party of the 12, whether you go. Job by trying for this talk. Hear me so? That party of the 12 now, we me they dare you now. Hear me so? That celeb party now. Job by make matter, you know go that party. You go square everywhere. Job by trying now. I bet they say celeb they beg for back. They beg for foolishness. Job by make matter now. Job by make matter say in the federal whether you go that party. Hear me so? Job by trying. Wow, see this foolish idiot. You go see beat all those one. Yes. You go see beat them because you don't know where to stop. You don't get control. You don't get self-control. You don't get self-coordination. No people be your problem. Why you know loyal to push the push? I bet although say I don't like the way to go that platform. You know see me and all those guys with the quarry. But since now the woman they verse you, I'll go remove the picture of the woman. Most say I will take work together. Why you not employ that method? Why you not use that method? Why you not use that method to iron the issue? Foolish man being with no get sense. Why you not use your 99? Why you not feel calculate say see what these people are trying to do to you? If you claim you are smart, if you claim say you dey smart, why you not use that your brain say see what all this guy wants to do? What this guy wants to try to come to my business? Then all this guy wants to attack what they give me money. Might use my brain, might withdraw, or might ignore them. Why you not use all those brain? Because you get useless woman who no fit advise you. You person will not pay you money. Person will not call work for. You respect me call a lawyer to make all the beg you. You know get a beg now. You know say pie Enogie. A pie Enogie. You know say oh for a reason. You know say as I want to party so. You know say now you be the MC. I beg now. No pose at the mama. You want me to come beg you. And it don't work like that. Not everybody be coward. Not everybody be coward. Not everybody go to lick your dirty nyash. So people need to take action. And Proch is an action woman, and he take action against you. Why you no go beg her for WhatsApp? If Proch come and say, if you and Proch talk for WhatsApp, you can't remove the video. Proch can say, lucky nice, I beg my brother. You know say you don't remove that video, you don't remove her, you don't delete her. You know say I already carry her. I don't really carry and beg. Problem go dey. But you want the race shoulder. You want the race shoulder. Now I feel that don't bring you down now. Party right, the most best party for Germany now. 2026. You no go. All the party when you go now black party now you dey go. You see party when men for carry money. That better be like what they do for Nigeria. All these people they spray money like they do Nigeria. You hear me so? You just say na $1, not even $1. Now $10, you know how much? €10. $50, €50. Wow, money when for carry money when $1 when harish like this, you know how much? Yeah, maybe $1. Those money so it's not €100 now there. You think that €200 now this gets off hand. Yeah, you not €300 now they off hand. You are a foolish man being. This idiot will never go spray place for party once. You for go that place tomorrow, you for no spray money.
So you may know one thing. You see this party, you get some of our way go, I will go na enemy party too.
Na lie. Don't you go the enemy party? I best want to go your enemy party. Now your enemy not be the enemy. Wow, fianwu. If they follow person, if they fight person follow, they do enemy. I best want to go your enemy party. You cannot go your enemy party. That party must finish before you get enemy. If you anybody will go that place today now, if you are post one, if the person are post one get quarry, the party don't finish. Not because of the party. All those things just to make people know to scare people away. Just the way this guy do for my own. Just the way this guy do for my own. This foolish person a mash. This is just a mash. Me na mash. After I do your bed the finish, I don't talk about the men that don't go to party. Oh. This foolish boy so. Now they don't say the party is cancelled. This mumu. Imagine say you did Germany. This idiot did Germany. If they talk for Italy, say my party is cancelled. Just to scare people when you walk home. No propaganda which guy not do. They go fight for the party. Police go come there. I go send people go that party. They go destroy the party. Just to scare people away. Exactly the same thing when we do to DJ Wisdom. Not be posh body take Satan. And all of the no one oh. So to go and rest your head in shame. Everybody who doesn't mean they don't go peaceful party. Think that you can cancel people because why? Spirit they wash you. You think that people when they call your party, people when they wash you now, all of your so-called fans, because you don't know yourself you be celebrity. You think that they want to go support a Porsche. Eh? Do you really think say now your friends never go support Porsche? Do you think that? The same thing when you do for my party, exactly the same thing when you do. Now you do to Porsche. Today now call, men they pump money. They always be pump money.
I don't say anybody do anything for me, but
okay, you don't say anybody do anything for you. Why you say me the cruise no go the party? Why you say me your friend no go the party? You see how foolish is this idiot? You know say anybody no go, but you dey happy. Our girlfriend though, I don't know that see girlfriend though. Jerry, you do this stuff for me. Why you not tell Jerry say no, my brother? Waiting me at this lady get, call him who get, you know, concern your business. Go and do your things. Come swear put now. Come swear put say you and Jerry no talk for WhatsApp. But now you tell us say now people they beg you now for DJ Wisdom, for DJ Cruz. But you say me people don't do anything for you. Why you call the call people for back say make DJ Cruz no go the party? Why? This gonna bastard. This person now better bastard. This guy can never talk truth in his life, and you will suffer. Anything we want to with the talk can. As my friend, if I tell you no need to do this, I will tell you OR. We know they pretend. We know they pretend. I'm not talking many people don't go to the party, oh, but you did get the cruise. Like say you get to go that party, you go Sagara. You say you want Sagara people go that party.
Go this party. If na enemy they go do party, I will go there too.
Okay, now see to know that this guy is foolish. Now he don't take Proch as the enemy. He say get some people will go that party. If the enemy say do party, he go still go that party. And you say you know what make people come fight for you, may do enmity for you. You still say you are useless, we. You are suffering from anatrances. This is speaking English. We, you are suffering from anatrances. Where you suffer from? You hear me? So your brain don't format. They need to go reset. They need to go reset your brain. That your useless brain. So they need to go set on. You hear me? So you they contradict yourself by yourself. You are a foolish man. You they embarrass yourself and you they embarrass your children. Father of 5 when mumu now you be. You be father of 5 when mumu. If they pay me say you bought gas, you are a useless man. You hear me? So father of 5 when mumu, father of 5 when useless now you be. You are a useless father. I go see how you fit control your children. I will tell you say, I know you useless. Like I see the way you take control your children. Man. I not say many body do anything for me, but you get some of now when go the party. If na see they go, if na enemy, who be enemy? Nobody be enemy of anybody. You are a foolish man. Nobody be enemy of anybody. Now you be enemy of everybody. You be enemy of yourself. You be enemy of good. You be enemy of truth. A liar when the life of people head. You be enemy of yourself. You be enemy of truth. And anybody will be enemy of truth must they get bread with people. Because you don't like truth. So you don't say though.
I know.
But listen, this is better.
Even if I not be the MC, I be the MC. Me by myself, I go book hotel, I go go there.
Tapolo.
Why you not go book hotel me you go there now, mumuma, when they lie?
Tapolo. Tapolo. Is that the doctor? Tell her. Is that the doctor?
If not keep my rice, we'll get problem. I will get problems. Not keep my rice. I don't tell her.
Okay, Tapolo. Enogie say na burial birthday. I bet you feel enter a war. You feel go bring because birthday where you say celebrate. May I tell you, Enogie not know a birthday where you celebrate. Based on say that opportunity where you all still deal with where people don't still there around that way of fit take collect.
That's why want to birthday. God
say you want to birthday. So no. You know, say we they know people lie to.
When they talk like, say you don't know a birthday date.
No, you don't get birth certificate. So with the real person, you understand. So that's for that side. May you go if you feel entire war, with your other TikTok, enter go bring a birthday.
Me no say block me for that place. Now let's say this thing.
Who if he send that thing come, make them send that for you.
I because of a phone, I will open and I because of
go bring Enogie birthday, Enogie birthday, where they forgot they buy Nikki for outside, I think they work.
Now they told me go buy Nikki, they told me.
No, not go let us get money, I pay me, don't do more than they talk. You know, say if you want money that day. More than liver. But we know say they go they use 3 euro. They bring 3 euro come. They go they buy carton of beer, come they drink for sad birthday. So may go bring a birthday come because that birthday not get age. Which how many years he celebrate for that birthday? Now 41, I've been at 42, I've been at 43. He all later say I want to do birthday. Which year he celebrate for inside the birthday? Now 43 years, now 44. So that he birthday not get. Now guests together say my followers I want you now for real life. So that birthday not get age. So that birthday so go bring and come. And it be like say I will do I come bring Proch birthday. We'll come attach and go see. It be like America club. White and white, everything that white. Go look then they use
that is you if you did a bet that you go send me a birthday video. That is you if you did comment section.
I'm gonna send that for her.
All these bloggers, I go send me more plan. Don't be happy for your red.
Because Because referee don't they blow for that side now. Referee don't they blow for that side now. He don't even carry cramp give a big push now. Referee, the unuanye boy any mat go tired of. Referee don't they blow for that side now. He don't they carry cramp they give winner. You say, oh, draw two. You don't get up post 2 times. Join me 3 o'clock. You don't change from 3 o'clock to 8 o'clock. You're the 5 day. You're the cocoa people. You don't get the fake call.
Osaro, that birthday that birthday was transparency.
See,
We watch everything for that
you.
video. Not be so.
See me, I tell you,
That birthday now, from start to the end, we watch everything now.
Topolo, I said,
What do you want
the
to talk
police
about?
guide. I said, Topolo, police guide that birthday. Oh. Jama police guide that birthday. You get one guy where call they do live video. You want come and go smoke. You understand? You want come and go smoke. Now person can tell us.
Daddy Gio, I beg me go find no get party come out. Bet the way do go find a call for me, I beg.
That person can tell us say if na Kali want smoke, no, you no need to go that side. Say all those men they did that side. May not be say that the robbie person may not be say you go they use smoke, they go they disturb them. Now the guy take flash camera, he say see a posh party, police park, they park. They not talk to person you to just secure in case of maybe.
You go the pop and say we want some people come now.
So for him to for them to secure the party.
Nah, Jamie Queen won't call Saga now. He say a leave picking for person. Wow, they don't leave picking for people call your party. He say get 5 seconds more than 1 Saga. This guy left for people here. Now make a respect him.
Topolo, you know one thing, now those women missed the blame. You no give way if he carry a woman come call her Afghanistan, call her shower, all sorts of name way man not supposed to call woman where go pain her for body. You don't call your woman. You call her shower, scripper. Your woman is a scripper for this Europe, a pole, electric pole. Now your woman take the dance. That's why you see. That's why you see that the way she sit down, way to
say now see what they do and go. What did they do you? What they do you? This guy na idiot too.
That's why you see that.
You say that, okay, you know how many people go there before? No fear, women forgot they happy. Just imagine. You know how many they know those people?
See,
I know what this guy think himself to be.
Enemy rockbar. Yeke is a scripper. That's why you see and say a body divided to 2. Woman way they use photo, they dance. You understand? So
you want to tell me something upon that body to with a black. That's the way black. You want to tell me something upon that bonner.
Not be Pope bonner, but now water where they take the press and I burn that one. Where it take divide, where did it make me? Where it take divide? Now I left another Pope. You understand? Where you know say where you go use that pot stand and they swing the come down. Oh, let's see you never jam all those creeper where they use pot in the dance for club. All those people they used to talk they hang for polo. They used to take hang. They also fit they swim the come.
Everybody for be like that Jerry. You forgot the dance yesterday. Everybody for be like that Jerry. They forgot what you say. We not go part. We not cancel party because of you. You will last one month for your life. Wow, soon we'll go on board.
Enogie, now this one so now you tell no say you not relevant for this TikTok. You understand? If you talk on Rebecca, as you did now, you see all those ladies so nana. If you cause the nana though, even though it's na 3 view or na 2 view, you go see on the live video, you go return the cost back to you. Even not by now, you not get anything where you want to do. You understand? You are a failure. You 3 times I don't change, I be 2 times I don't change time. Join me by 3 o'clock. Join me by 4 o'clock. Join me by 8 o'clock. Even on now.
Shame let that so you go see come out to this mumu.
Today nana, baby mabo 1 year now. Children not go.
Everybody goes to say they lie. Everybody goes to say they lie. I'm people want to respect you. Everybody else has not like they lie. What do you talk no make sense?
Baby mabo 1 year. As una can never get peace for that house today. Now sharpness echo to echo. Not get it said. Abiashuku get it said. They can never get peace of
mind. You don't get shame.
No shame.
Shame was let her come out.
No freedom. No freedom for 2-bedroom apartment for children.
Spain. You know where this Lady J and Proch no. You know what the Poch don't do for now. So because one idiot now, you go just that say no go.
Yeah.
You know the relationship when they get. You know the relationship when Lady J and Poch get together. Do you know whether they relate? Do you know whether it relate to Poch husband? So because of one idiot, because of one foolish man, you know go the party. Me they ask. So person will be my friend now. Because of you now, person who don't know for years, I know call go celebrate with them because they get quarrel with you.
You know,
is it possible like that? Is it possible?
You know this thing so Topolo, this thing so we know mentality we no get so. One guy we today I just cut off me and no quarrel. He and my guy come the quarrel. You understand? You see this your robo brother when me and he call the waka so now let me call the waka now. I all cut them off. You understand? You with that guy call the quarrel. As they call the quarrel now, so he can tell me based on saying that me with a fair no. Before I know this guy, you understand? Because they tell me say anytime we me with that one will day together, me I know if he call me, me I let him know see where I did. By the way, you know as in one make me and him I can't the reason I say let me come they join you they keep enemy for the other guy. Me don't try to talk to una two no one grey year. Wetin dey happen? So I look and I call that my guy. So we with her they get correspondence. Say see wetin why you happen. So me I not like am. You understand? Me not fit dey side mixture of two friends. You with her not dey play. You understand? But I'll dey side mixture of una. Either I dey with this one, I'll dey with this one. I say the best thing, my brother. Me and you not still dey quarrel. And between me with the other one too, we not still dey quarrel. Me everybody you all do their own. You understand? Because me not fit dey side center of two friends wey dey quarrel, I'll be their friend. I don't fit settle them. I take cut them off. Before the waka they go. You see this guy so now that robot guy now with me and with the waka. And the waka they come, you jam out for road. You give me you tell me some kind of matter. But now I help her put her through. So I got the see the bros now say elderly person, not be my age mate, you understand?
No be age that make friend now.
Yeah, as I come they see the way the bros say they live the lifestyle, they do this bros. Now so me with that guy stay the waka. You understand? Enogie nana because see you with Poch get issue. You want make people where you know where still know Poch, make they not go their party. Are they more enemy normal? I can't join you. They carry enemy. You know what Poch don't do for those people. You know what those people don't do for Poch. What you don't do for those people. Okay? Are enemy now? Paul don't even send una message. Una way fear say no give say if una come party to go sagana. You say una ban yourself block una self come off for your contact. Or if you don't settle down, you can settle down because they remove una for una contact. You understand? So Enogie.
That's it be now. That's it be.
Enogie they say burial birthday. Now lie you lie for dear. Now the highest America show. Okay, now the news where he say pass be this one.
He say people will go. If friends will go Poch party. If the enemy say they do party, he go still go. I don't understand. Who could be your enemy now? What's the meaning of enemy? This guy he don't declare Poch as the enemy. Oh. Poch not tell me no call party. Just step away. If that people will get themselves, for who see go the party, who don't know do MC. For you to know the Poch, for you to make Poch know say you big.
Yes, my brother. But I tell what I want to do. You know, see dollar. You know, yeah.
Oh, but if you got thief Poch money, oh, if you thief Poch money, oh, for the end of the money don't miss.
Topolo.
This guy for thief money. For thief money. If for thief money, I say go for thief money.
Okay, I dey come. You know, see dollar wey this your sister which your dollar coaching.
Listen. This is the foolish man. Man, this guy. You mean it pass? All right.
She may look in what of
Hey, what's it called?
So we love
Poch. Come to blame him. Do it, Betty. Passage all birthday, come and do it.
Passage oh. Passage oh, you doing your for bar. You know say this guy na stupid human being.
Polo, see, me I dey tell you, anything wey Enogie dey do now, na out of pain. Whether you open live video later, you talk about the birthday, anytime we take raise alarm, take talk anything concerning Proch, na pain. You understand? Na Enogie take dey do anything wey he do. President say na wounded lion, na Enogie be.
Na wounded lion. You like
So you can chop anything choppable. So even the mommy 3D where you even they talk about, so need that one you dey load. If you not even everybody will go that party, na their enemy. You dey look am. See, not go look am. Okay, and at this one referee they blow yours now.
If God dey try to open your eyes to some kind things, sometimes they come in form of embarrassment. You go come dey say, Baba God, why this thing dey happen to me? Because if it don't happen to you like that, you no go learn.
And you don't learn the hard way.
My haters, my enemies, they happy say, hey, we not sleep last night. Hey, we not sleep last night. Shame to you, Enogie. You can't tell look you do this one. Ah, Enogie. That's what we see they happy.
This guy dey cry.
Enogie we. Even the Enogie we, the way they call her, it's not even sweet person.
We all put pay for this guy body.
That's what we see they happy. Because life is deep.
Truth.
First and foremost, I want to appreciate God Almighty.
Thank God, thank you.
For using this surgery Proch. This burial birthday.
You are a liar.
All the people that call me their friends. To expose all your friendly friends, or do not be all.
What you get?
God, the ones who still remain, when they call me their friends, because I don't know all my friends.
You get friends.
I don't know who that is.
This guy don't feel the shave, oh. This guy don't feel shave. Don't carry beers for everywhere like 80 years old man. Yeah,
You get friends?
He's like homeless man being.
Friends. All my friends. You get friend.
This guy is like homeless. He's like homeless man being. Can keep very unkept man being.
Topolo. Now this guy they call people say it be those people friend who they call you as their friend.
I said this guy look unkept, very unkept human being.
Oh, okay.
He beer, no fit shave, nothing.
Topolo, you not see another word where you talk. You not see another word where you talk. We call the talk say dollar where voltage carry say na fake dollar. I mean fake dollar we can have a way.
Maybe go talk for here.
You Baba God, now you know my friends.
This is not the one we take postpone time and say join me by 8 o'clock abi.
But I come pray one prayer today, Baba. Baba, the way they expose majority of my friendly friends to me this season.
Baba. See, all those your friendly friends there, mommy best place you there among them oh. Jamie Queen, there among your friendly friend oh. Me you ready oh. Me you ready. That Lady J, you there among your friendly friend oh. Me you the year oh. The battle line have been drawn. Yes, nah. The battle line have been drawn. See, mommy 3D, John already said they will call you a husband snatcher.
They will call her doctors, call her everything. Now mommy 3D one evil do. Now with her husband go.
Now if we enjoy the party pass. The reason why they happen for that party, you go talk more.
Now with her husband go.
How many places of rice you shop? This mommy 3D na bad friend. You are a bad friend. Why you gonna do video say look That hotel, fair no. Why you dey for hotel? But pastor, you do video.
I say wait, I see video where you do, where you call the video like where you throw tongue come out like that.
Because as you this man a bad woman no. You go wear boss short. You go wear boss short. Man dey wear boss short. You go wear. See, you go say, Oni. See, mommy, best spirit you. He go. You know, get cry for me. You know, get cry for me. Una be your friend though. Now una be your friend when they talk about you now. Me na you ready. We go hear story.
Continue to expose them.
For
me.
Yes.
Make I feel know how.
Yes. See,
They follow the waka.
if that person never eat.
Today they follow the shit.
If I like what, or where you feel like person will never eat.
This thing that looks funny, but it's not.
It's not funny.
Before I come beat Proch later, if I come saga, Papa is Mama.
No
Once I
problem.
should do the mighty for my life.
Yes.
Because it's not the way it happens to you.
For don't know be your friendly face.
Come on for us. Go eat season poison.
Now this is the poison. So you want this is not be season poison.
See, Topolo, if you know money where this guy lost yesterday, he went there $8 would do $8.
This guy never told me the imagine say this guy black person will swear for.
Not as in, not be swear where they swear for. Cause Juju they is worried this man.
Too much of juju now they worry this guy. Too much of
Then they
juju.
worry.
Every time this guy they talk, I look and say
See,
he
Topolo.
this stable.
Topolo, not be cause where they go swear for this guy. Now be this Juju where they worry. Juju where they worry this guy. When you want to condemn another people, you know people where this guy don't carry their name, where they condemn. Aya mwe bogbo ma we ma me vin ya ve bobiga we saga we ma me bu nwa ne boni ga mlada ye you tell Yoruba ye you turn up back. All those calls tell me I tell you can't go they follow all the ikperima all the old juju waiting they don't dey use for life again waiting not they waiting juju they never call good things for where juju dey how to condemn where about say the thing no all we won ya bog warrior what about the thing no come let e no fit go e no fit harm waiting
That better now.
you will come back to you.
Everybody compose. See, Osaro, you see that bed yesterday? That bed yesterday. Now the atmosphere. Now like
my brother,
as much like the coordination for that place. The way everybody was, the way all of them they throw for that place. The way where they it be like reunion. Like say Proch do reunion for people. Nobody gets any message to they afraid for that place. This man, if you see this man when they come out for people mad for that place, was very genuine.
The worst part now, Topolo.
Nobody that place they fear.
See, Topolo, listen. Those people who go that party now, now is stupidity. Who not fit go work today now? When there was a resume work tomorrow, now. Maybe if it is work for live video tomorrow, now. They will suffer put earpiece for you. They will go plug their phone from one corner. They will
laugh. Now
you know, say if they work saga, they work. No. Time don't finish you. Though they use your foolishness as your saga and lies where you want to talk till they work tomorrow. They aim their salary for more tending where they will receive. Though they use your foolishness till they work. Though they listen to your foolishness and your lie where you want lie for people. Even the people who you want lie to now, all of them don't ready where they want to go, where they all of them they work. You now, jobless.
Once the way they say you go eat time, you know that minute. Today.
Wow, big guy side mirror.
Before you know,
yeah, yes, dollar to pick this year. Maybe this one.
Is it like say you and Proch no get quarrel, then you go the party Proch go poison you. So all the party when you go in a place they go poison you. This guy a foolish man being. You see, this guy the Allah saying see the 80s. Gamma, you are in a civilized world. You cannot deceive any human being. This is 21st century. Now 2026 now we date 2026. We now digital life we dey live G5. Now G5 network now we dey use now. Everybody is smart. Even the most dumb people see they smart. They are people they close to internet. People they get information. You cannot misinform any human being. This is not the time when they carry radio in near each other here.
All those people will pull radio for a year. Some of them not the year word. Someone still the year.
This guy at the time when they say they buy newspaper. Oh.
They know what they happen for what.
Those the way they buy newspaper. So now only people when they read, when not to read, now they get information. This guy don't say na smart word now everybody there now. You cannot deceive any human being anymore, bro. Not only the foolish people when the other your country you feel they deceive.
You know what? People say they not go the party because of the no one man no give saga na. Enogie way if you call a woman ashawo, who be you? Who be you? Way no give no if you call her ashawo.
I tell you say you must see anything for your body. Ah God. Where people for the see this thing, but I mean not the see am from there.
Where for the sian?
Wait
Where
till
for the
this.
sian? You know shop price. Oh Bob, Zaddy go give me my rice so. Yeah, you talk my own. Zaddy go give me my rice. If I not be you not be answer the picture of Saga Zaddy. If I not see my rice, now till tomorrow they not deliver my rice for me.
Well, Kevize.
You know the sian for the argument for the sian. Oh yeah, tell us the argument for the sian.
It's not the ways of God. Baba, my personal Lord and Savior, I want to thank you for the battles that I did not see that you are fighting for me.
Rice not talk battle now. Rice not talk battle. Why this guy not feel they comb me head? Why this guy not feel they shave? Why this guy not feel they shave? This guy not to old man finish. Eh? Okay, I beg. This guy not see senior mommy best friend to your husband. Me don't see mommy best friend to your husband. Man. Me don't see die for your head. Me don't see white for the man head. This guy see senior Bobby. Me don't see this guy they see me say die here now.
No, wait till you talk. You say one carry white, yes, and white.
For early age.
No, you go the stuff if they die, they go now. If they die, you come white.
This medium, we pray for all my fans when they watch this video this morning.
When they wash your foolishness.
Pray for your life. The way God take expose my own for me this season, He go expose your own for you in Jesus' name.
Measure the name, oh. All these your friendly friend, measure the name, oh. All these your friendly friend, and when God don't expose to you, measure the name. Martin knows whether they be my friendly friend. I just at all.
Now, so now everybody need to know their.
I beg, measure the name for to know whether the day I'm for to run for my life. Measure the name. I want you to measure the name. All those your friendly friends, so measure the name. Say you are my friendly friend. So person you are my friendly friend. Measure the name. Measure the name. We want to know them. Wow, fia go boy. Ayo you are.
I do not have any data to say. Years later, at 7:30 p.m. I just did appreciate God as like if you reach my
Wait till you talk just I say it PM.
7 p.m. What they call
7 p.m.
Because of the happiness within my belly. I am grateful to you, God.
Maybe this guy calls to say they happy. Ma go find those video come. That party, what they call them?
The way you do. Welcome together, followers. Birthday.
I'm just get him again. That's how the deal will get her.
Is that the deal where they send the area?
That's how the deal will get her.